Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel YouTubers Goldmine. Today's video is all about how to get views without any subscribers. You can start getting views from the first day that you create your channel. If you're interested to find out how, then make sure to stick around. This channel is all about YouTube growth and YouTube tips. If that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. Before we start the video, I have to quickly tell you that it only takes 2 seconds of your time to hit that like button and press the subscribe button. While you are at it, don't forget to comment down below because it is the best way you can support my channel. Getting views on YouTube is hard. It does not matter what type of content you are making. Getting that initial thing started to a point that you keep on getting views is really hard. In this video, I'm going to mention some things that you can do to get some views on your video and get that initial start going. The first thing that you need to think about when you are trying to get views on your YouTube video is you need to remember that YouTube is a search engine. What that means is that YouTube is somewhere that when somebody searches for something, your video can come up as a result to whatever that person is looking for. For example, if you go to YouTube and search how to drive a car, then videos on how to drive a car will come up, and that is something that you can use even if you have just started your YouTube channel and you're about to upload your first video. Now, if you want to know how to rank your videos in search, you have to take a look at my playlist about YouTube SEO, which will appear on top right now. I have talked about absolutely everything there, so make sure not to miss that. But generally speaking, one of the ways you can do this is to take the phrase that people are searching for example, how to drive a car that we were talking about, you can take that phrase and make it a part of your title. Now, the reason why I say a part of your title, not the whole title, is because how to drive a car is really competitive. But if you add some things to it, in some cases, the competition would become way lower. An example for that is that you can make a video on certain kind of car, like you can say how to drive a manual car step by step for beginners. Now, how to drive a car is really competitive and you may not want to target that for your first videos. That was just an example, and you get the point. Now, if you want it to be more powerful, you need to add that keyword in your tags, title and description, and that is what we call video optimization. But I'm not going to talk about that in this video because it's going to be a very long video and I am repeating myself again and again. But you can take a look at my YouTube SEO playlist. I know that if you're just getting into YouTube, you might get overwhelmed by all of this, but this is just one of the ways, and there are other easier methods coming up in this video. Another thing that you can do to get views with no subscribers is to share your content on social media. But you may say that I don't have any followers or any audience to share my content with. How am I supposed to do that? You don't need any followers for this, but all you need to do is to join relevant groups on different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget about Reddit. But you need to join relevant groups that have interest in what you are making your videos on. For example, if you're making videos on games and you have a gaming channel, make sure to join groups of specific games that you play, let's say Call of Duty. Now, you need to join as many groups of Call of Duty on Facebook, Instagram, Reddit and any other social media platform that you know. But make sure not to just post your videos right after you join these groups because no one will watch your video. You have to first ask some questions or answer some people's questions, get to know others, and then you can post a link to one of your videos, and that way, because people know you there, they may watch your video. You can even ask people what videos do they like to see, and you can make those videos, and since they said that they like those videos, they will most probably watch it. The next thing you can do to get views when you're first starting YouTube is that you can comment a lot. Now wait, do not go and do this sub for sub stuff because that does not work. But what I'm saying is that go and watch videos and share your real opinion on them, share your ideas, or just compliment the YouTuber. If you do that and you do it a lot, people are going to see your profile picture and your username, and they might just get curious and click on it and say that was a good thoughtful comment, or that is an interesting idea, or just they might be curious and click on your channel. Now, I need to tell you that you need to do this the right way, because if you go down the comment section and suggest people to come to your channel and suggest to check out your channel, the creator may delete your comment. The people that see your comment may think that you are just one of those spammers that comments this everywhere, and you don't want that. Most of the people that watch this video are not going to do these because they consider it to be a lot of extra work. Doing little things like these that most people are not willing to do can make a really big difference on your YouTube channel, on the amount of views that you are getting and the subscribers you have. You need to put that extra work in and do these things right now. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video with any people you know that might help them. My goal is to help every small YouTuber out there. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video, or if you know any other tips. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos like this. Until next time, peace.